Airbag Control Unit, ACU. The ACU is a computerized control module responsible for processing the sensor signals and determining if airbag deployment is necessary. It analyzes various factors such as the severity of the impact, the position of the occupants, and the type of collision to make an informed decision. The system is an important safety feature in modern vehicles that is designed to protect occupants during a collision or sudden deceleration. The primary purpose of an airbag is to provide a cushioning effect to reduce the impact forces experienced by the occupants. Here's a general overview of how an airbag system works. Crash detection. The airbag system includes sensors located throughout the vehicle, typically igniter and inflator. If the ACU determines that airbag deployment is necessary, it sends an electrical signal to an igniter, which generates a small explosion. This explosion ignites a chemical propellant in the airbag inflator module. The inflator contains a solid propellant mixture, usually a combination of sodium azide and potassium nitrate, which rapidly burns and produces a large volume of gas, mostly nitrogen, to inflate the airbag. Airbag deployment. The inflator's gas is channeled through a filter to remove any byproducts or debris, and then it rapidly fills the airbag through vents or small holes. The airbag is made of a thin, strong fabric designed to withstand the pressure and force of the rapidly expanding gas. The airbag expands and inflates within milliseconds, providing a cushion between the occupants and hard surfaces in the vehicle. Occupant protection. As the airbag deploys, it acts as a cushion, absorbing some of the energy from the occupant's forward movement. This helps to reduce the risk of severe head and chest injuries by decreasing the force of impact with the steering wheel, dashboard, windshield, or other hard surfaces. Once the collision forces are absorbed, the airbag begins to deflate immediately, allowing the occupants to move and exit the vehicle safely.